In this video, I'll show you Marvel Rivals best FPS boost. Now I'm gonna focus mostly on your Windows optimization and not so much on the in-game settings. In the in-game settings, you just wanna put it as low as possible without hurting your eyes too much. Now the lower you put it inside of the game, the graphics, the more FPS you'll get, but of course the game is also gonna look much worse, so just try and find a nice balance for you. Now, what you wanna do is come here and search for game mode. Make sure you put game mode on. Make sure you take game bar. Make sure you turn this off. Then after that, what you want to do is right click on your desktop, go to display settings, come to graphic settings right here. Up here, you want to activate hardware accelerated GPU. Then come here and choose desktop app. Press browse, and we want to add the Marvel Rivals launcher. So press browse right here, and then you can just open up Steam, right click on Marvel Rivals properties, installed files, and press browse. Then you should come to the folder, so just click here, Control C, and then come back here, Control V, press enter, and then you want to add the launcher right here. Once you've added it, you want to select it, choose high performance. After you've done that, you can head back to the Steam and go to the same folder, find the launcher, right click, properties, compatibility, and then activate disable full screen optimizations. Press apply and then press OK, and then you can just close this one down. Then after we've done this, you want to come here and search for device manager. Come in here and find display adapters. Right click and make sure you update your driver as well as you download your software for the GPU. So I'm gonna Google my GPU name and type software, which is gonna give me the NVIDIA one. Once you're in here, you just want to open it, go to drivers, update, and take the latest driver update. Once you've done this, you can close it down. And then what you want to do is search for power plan. Come in here and go to power options. Make sure you choose high performance. If you can't find it, it might be hidden down here, but make sure you choose high performance. Once you've done this, you want to move to this step, which is you want to right click on your desktop and open up NVIDIA control panel. If you don't have this one, just skip to the next step. But if you have it, you want to open it and it's going to look like this. In here, what you want to do is you want to head over to manage 3D settings. Just give it a few seconds to load. And then you want to scroll down and find power management mode, prefer maximum performance, and find texture filtering quality and choose high performance. Then close this down. And the last step is view advanced system settings. Check on settings. And in here, you have the option to disable some of these. Now you can adjust for best performance if you want, but even when you do this, I prefer to have this one on and this one on. So just apply an OK, restart your PC, and now you should have an FPS boost. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.